In Altadena, California, this project highlights the structural framing stage of a residential building. The structure is under construction, while engineering plans have been applied to complete all major wood frame and structural components. Support for the building is provided by an elevated concrete foundation system. The loads from the above framing will then be transferred down to the foundation via beams and support posts. The floor framing system has been formed to provide the base platform from which the building stands. The floor members both provide stability to the structure and distribute the structure load to support locations below the foundation. The construction of vertical walls helps to establish the shape and design of the arrangement within your house, as well as identify the paths for the structural load. Vertical studs, lintels, and the various members that make up the wall frame act as support for the vertical loads created by the weight of the roof above, and any lateral force exerted on the frame by winds. Framed openings are left in the vertical wall frames, so that you can easily see where you will be executing your window and exterior door installations. When you ultimately finish off the structure, these framed opening locations are also reinforced to ensure that they maintain their structural load-bearing capabilities while providing both access from the outside to your interior and an opportunity to allow for some natural light to enter into the interior of the house. The rafters and supporting structural elements of the roof framing are being assembled as the roof frame. The structural sheathing panels have been installed on select exterior walls. These panels increase the lateral stability of the building by providing additional support against the wind and other external loads. The primary structural framework consists of main beams, connecting all the key load-bearing structural elements to the system, ensuring correct transfer of loads throughout the entire structure. At the moment, the project is at the point of structural framework, or framing. All major components of the framework, foundational support, floor system, and wall or roof structure, are complete. This project illustrates an overall aspect of structural development, using engineered design and construction standards. If you're considering a residential build or need complete engineering services for your project, please contact us now.